Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show about how to log in GST website automatically using Excel. Now let's open the Excel sheet GST login. Now we have username and password columns. Here we have a drop down options. If we click username 3, it will comes to username and password. Okay, if you want, you can change 4, 5, 6. You can add if you need it. If you have multiple clients, you can add username and password like this way. Just for education purpose only, I am showing. If you add your original username and password, it will take accordingly. It will take whatever we have added here. Okay, let's click this button GST login. Now it will open Chrome and it will enter username and password. Wait a minute. Okay, now it will enter the username and password, then it will click here. Now we have to enter manually 960774. Click login button. It will show invalid username and password because this is sample purpose we are doing. If you put original username and password, then it will go to the dashboard page. This is very simple process to log in to GST portal if you have a multiple clients. To do this is a simple technique. No need to have a knowledge about coding, Python and all. If you want this Excel sheet, please let me know. I have added my contact details in the description. Do like and subscribe, and thank you all.